your site is live at, and then the site URL, so we can hit visit site. And there you go. This is our same website that we had over here at localhost, hosted online, completely for free. And as a plus point, as a bonus, we have SSL encryption. We have HTTPS. Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you all how you can host your website on GitHub pages completely for free. Now, to get started, we'll have to create a website. I'm going to use VS Codium and I'll create a new file called index.html. Just set up a completely basic HTML document, right? We'll call this hosted on GitHub pages. And let's create an h1. It has hello world, okay, and a paragraph with some lorem ipsum. Now, we need some styles for our website, so let's have a style.css. For the body, we'll have a background color of sort of black, text color of sort of white, align the text to the center, and have 100 pixels of padding. Now, need to link this, so link CSS, style.css. Let's open this with live server. Server started at port 5500, so let's go there. 5500, there we go. This is our website. Now, we need to host this online. Right now it's being hosted on localhost, but we need it online. How are we going to do that? We are going to have to create a Git repository. So come back here, create a Git repository using git init-b main. And then after that, we are going to add our files, git add dot, then commit them, git commit -m initial commit. Now that's done, we need to create a repository on GitHub. I've created one right over here. That's the same website as this one, but yes, created one right over here. As you can see, this is the URL. So we need to copy this and we need to add this as a remote. So you need to use the command git remote add origin, paste that in. Now we need to git push origin main. When that's done, we can come back and just reload this. And we can see our files here. We can see our index.html and style.css, and we can see the commit message that we gave. Now, this is not quite enough. We need to configure GitHub pages, so go into the settings. Scroll down until you see pages here. Click on that. Select the branch to be main, hit save. Okay, and you're going to have to wait for some time. So after that's done, your site is live at, and then the site URL, so we can hit visit site. And there you go. This is our same website that we had over here at localhost, hosted online, completely for free. And as a plus point, as a bonus, we have SSL encryption. We have HTTPS. And that's great. Now, that's basically it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe and support the channel, like this video if you enjoyed it. And I'll see you next time. Peace.